Prince Harry's US visa application will stay private, judge rules. This is from BBC by George Wright. The Duke of Sussex US visa application should remain private despite him admitting taking drugs in his memoir, a judge has ruled. Prince Harry wrote of using marijuana, cocaine, and psychedelic mushroom in his memoir Spare, which was released in January 2023. Visa forms ask about drug use, an issue that can derail an application. A lawsuit from the Conversation Heritage Foundation think tank sought to compel the government to release the record to see if the prince disclosed his usage. But U.S. Judge Carl Nichols ruled on Monday that the public does not have a strong interest in disclosure of the Duke's immigration records. Like any foreign national, the Duke has legitimate privacy interest in his immigration status, he added. Prince Harry moved to the U.S. In January 2020 after announcing that he and his wife Meghan Markle would step back from royal duties. In a lawsuit year, the prominent Washington, D.C. based think tank argued that widespread and continuous media coverage of Prince Harry's admitted drug use called into question whether the government properly vetted the Duke and followed proper procedures when it admitted him into the country. Application from the U.S. visa specifically asks about current and past drug use. Yeah, there is many British or any other national, and nobody asking why don't this Heritage Foundation ask about other instead of just harassing Prince Harry. Drug use can lead to non-immigrant and immigrant visa applications being rejected, although immigration officers have this discretion to make a final decision based on a number of factors. Yeah, and he does many philanthropic and charitable works in America and around the world. And those other people who abuse drugs, they don't do anything. They just come here and not contributing a lot to the people, to the country, and they don't ask about their visa application. This Heritage Foundation, they just harassing Prince Harry for no reason. If he wants to do that to everybody, not just specifically ask for Prince Harry, in my opinion. The Heritage Foundation lawsuit argued that the U.S. law generally renders such a person inadmissible for entry to the country. In his memoir, the Duke said cocaine didn't do anything for me, adding marijuana is different, that actually really did help me. But Judge Nichols said public's interest in disclosure of Prince Harry's immigration record is outweighed by the Duke's privacy interests. Exactly. So I'm glad the judge stick to his guns, and because Prince Harry, because his brother Prince William hate him so much and wants the harm come to Prince Harry, wants to, I mean, he went after he did give him happy birthday on his 40th birthday, and the next day he said he doesn't want to reconcile with Prince Harry, and in the past he said he's not going to invite Prince Harry. And Prince Harry and Meghan, they are just doing their stuff, do good to others in America and around the world, including in England, in the UK. Like he's doing the Scottish Little Soldiers, the Well Child, which is a very successful organization to help with their causes. Scottish Little Children is the children whose parents have been eliminated. I mean, passed in war, or not war, because they are soldiers. So Prince Harry, that's one of the Prince Harry's passionate organization that he support in the UK. So keep up the good job, Prince Harry.